Imagine a world where every device around you is connected, responding in real time. That's the promise of modern computing. But what makes it possible? Today, we're breaking down the key differences between edge computing and cloud computing, and showing you how you can harness their strengths in business and at home. Cloud computing is the powerhouse behind most of the apps and services we use daily. Data travels from your devices to remote servers, sometimes halfway across the world, where it's processed and stored. Edge computing flips the script. Instead of sending everything to the cloud, edge computing brings processing closer to your devices, making data handling faster and smarter. So, what does this mean for you? If you're running a business, cloud computing is ideal for huge amounts of data, global access, and scalability. Edge computing shines when speed is critical. Think smart factories, retail checkouts, or instant security alerts. At home, cloud computing powers your streaming and backups, while edge can make smart devices like thermostats or cameras quicker and more responsive. Ready to implement one or both? Start by choosing your platform. For cloud, solutions like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are the top choices. For edge, look for software like Microsoft Azure IoT Edge, AWS Greengrass, or open source projects such as EdgeX Foundry. Here's how to set it up, step by step. First, define your goal. Are you processing video feeds locally or sharing files across the globe? Next, select suitable hardware, smart devices for edge, or a robust computer for cloud gateways. Then, install the relevant software. Most platforms offer clear guides. Configure your network. Secure connections are crucial. Finally, test your setup with real tasks and adjust as needed for speed and security. With these tools, businesses unlock faster responses and smarter decision-making. At home, you enjoy more responsive devices and efficient automation. The power is truly in your hands. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay connected with tech insights just like this.